First thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. That's going to help the crankcase vent properly when we go to change our engine oil. Make sure you keep up with that little O-ring. Now, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt. We want to drain the engine oil completely, that way we don't have any leftover contaminants still in the system when we put our new oil in place. Now, we'll reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 21 foot-pounds. You want to make sure you don't over tighten it here because the last thing you want is a stripped drain bolt. Now we'll remove the lower fairing. That will help us get access to the oil filter. Now, using a 10mm socket, we'll remove the 2 bolts that hold the oil filter cap in place. Now we'll remove our old oil filter. But make sure that the spring doesn't pop out. Keep up with that particular spring. Now this particular filter is a directional type filter. So you'll want to take the black grommet and make sure it's facing in towards the engine when we go to install the new one. Now we'll just torque our 2 8mm bolts back in place. We don't want to over tighten these, just good and snug is all we need. Now we'll reinstall our lower fairing using the same reverse process as before. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. This unit holds 1 quart of Kawasaki 10W40 motorcycle oil. We'll remove our funnel and reinstall our dipstick. Now we're going to start the engine, let it idle for a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. After it's idle for a little bit, we'll go ahead and shut it off and let it set for about 5 minutes. That's going to help us get an accurate oil level reading. Now it's time to check the oil level. We'll just remove the dipstick, wipe off the excess oil, and just sit it on top flush and pull it out. And our oil level looks great. It's time to hit the road.